Okay, we're videotaping. Go ahead.
All right. Is this going to be a senior moment?
This is.
All right. This is my first minute or two on my new pontoon boat. I don't have the little motor on here that I will have, but these oars work pretty well. If I get that little trolling motor on here, I believe I might be able to get used to this.
How does it feel stability-wise?
Oh, it's just solid as a rock. I mean, it's just everything that I had hoped it would be.
And you can
have complete visibility and complete maneuverability. It's just really great.
Comfortable, huh?
Yeah, it's comfortable. I've got the seat adjusted a little further back than I wanted, but I'm not going to adjust it until I get back on shore. But I am going to put a lazy Susan on it so that if I want to, I can swivel around and maybe get my drinking cup or get something out of the back.
Yeah.
But it's just great.
So you feel like you could, motor pretty well with those oars?
Oh yeah, yeah. This I can do whatever I want with these oars.
Sorry, guys.
You know, I can go forward or back, and of course they're locked in; they can't come out.
Yeah.
And I can spin in a circle.
Yeah, it looks to me like you're a lot more maneuverable with that than I am with my kayak. Yeah, that's so cool. That is cool.
It's great. Like I say, once I get that little motor on here, I believe I could really get addicted to this. Every other morning I'd want to come down here and get in the water.
Well,
and it's just there's no stress on me at all as far as being any stress or being hard to get in and get out of. It's just really simple.
That's fantastic. So guys, I'm in my kayak. This is my normal kayak thing. Let me see if I can turn this around. Anyway, so this is my normal kayak.
Take the camera and take a picture of you in the
No,
kayak?
not necessary. This is Dave's senior moment. I just wanted to let them know what I was in, but no, that's not necessary at all.
It'd be nice if they saw you in your kayak, though. That's
Well, I kind of did that.